EziSparki is a new service which saves you money and time. Are you tired of ringing around trying to find cheap electrical products and a trusted electrician to complete a job for you? Don't worry anymore. It's so easy with EziSparki. We combine the premium product and electrician installation in one low price. No more bill shock. Did we mention the full installation cost is included? So how does it work? Here are 5 simple steps. Simply select the relevant electrical product category. Then your required products and quantity. Then add to cart. Enter your details including name, address and preferred date and time for installation. Check out with PayPal, Visa or MasterCard. Click Place Order. Then we send you a confirmation email and a phone call. Your licensed master electrician turns up at the agreed time and the agreed day to supply and install your product. Job done. No more to pay.